myself Jeel Shah, intern from Nutan College of Physiotherapy. Today myself and my classmates are going to perform an exercise called as the Qigong exercise. We are going to demonstrate this exercise under the guidance of our teacher Dr. Priyanka Chaudhary. Let me brief you about this Qigong exercise. Qigong exercise is a millennia-old system of coordinated body posture and movements, breathing and meditation which is used for the purpose of health, spirituality and also martial arts training. With its root in Chinese medicine, philosophy and martial arts, Qigong is traditionally viewed by China and throughout Asia as a practice to cultivate and balance Qi, that is, the life energy. Qigong practice typically involves moving meditation, coordination, slow flow movements, deep rhythmic breathing and also a calm meditative state of mind. People practice Qigong worldwide for restoration, exercise, relaxation, preventive medicine, self-healing and also for cultivation, altered medicine, meditation and also for martial arts training. Now we will demonstrate the Qigong exercises.
We'll first start with warm-up, wrist rotation, clockwise, and anti-clockwise direction. Now elbow rotations. Now opposite direction. Now we'll do shoulder rotations. Now opposite direction. We will do the same with our other hand. Now opposite direction. Now we'll place our hand on our waist and do trunk rotation, clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Now place your both hands on knees, bend down and do knee rotations, opposite direction. Now we will do ankle rotation. Now in opposite direction. The same with other leg. In opposite direction. Now we will do neck rotation. Now opposite direction. We are done with warm-up. First exercise, place your palm on the abdomen and then rub in first clockwise and then in anti-clockwise direction. While rubbing, we will stimulate all the organs in the abdomen, thus producing an energy in the body. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, spread your arms and breathe out. Now in upward direction, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now, next set of exercise. Spread your arms and slowly breathe in. Now, by lowering arms, breathe out. Now, in opposite direction, breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Now, twist your back. Breathe in. Breathe out. In one direction, breathe in. Turning other side, breathe out. Now, next set of exercise. Raise your hands above. Breathe in by raising your hands. Breathe out while sitting down. Stand up and breathe in. Breathe out while sitting down. Again, breathe in. Now we'll again do ankle rotation in one direction, then in opposite direction. The same with other leg. Now opposite direction. Now next set of exercise. We will place our hand on waist and again do trunk rotation. Now opposite direction. Now we will lift our hand above, look upwards and wave. We should make small circles in air. Lower your hand down. We'll do the same with other hand. Breathe in and raise your hand above. Slowly we will lower our hands down while now we'll do neck rotation. Now opposite direction. Now next set of exercise. Slowly raise your hands above and relax your body. Lower your hands down. Now we will do cool down. Place your hand on abdomen and again rub your abdomen in clockwise and then anti-clockwise direction. The energy needs to be circulated in the body. Thus, we will pat down on leg, on the side, upwards to one arm, back of the arm, another arm, back of the arm, neck, face, head, back of the head, neck, upper back, lower back, down up to the heel, coming up ahead, up to the abdomen.
Exercises, you have to do it for minimum 3 repetitions. The total time will be 25 to 30 minutes. You can do this exercise in morning in open environment. Thank you.